Hey guys, Raymond here with another driveway fix. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replenish your windshield washer fluid and how to locate the reservoir. A couple quick notes. You do want to choose a fluid based on the season or based on the temperature that your region has during the winter. In Florida, I just run summer formula all year round. In northern areas, you want to run one that says below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And there's a couple reasons for that. And the primary one is if you run a formula that is labeled summer formula in an area where the temperature is below the rating on the bottle, there is a risk of the fluid freezing in the reservoir and cracking it, causing you to need to replace the whole reservoir. And that's an unnecessary expense that can be avoided just by getting the proper formula. The first step in adding the windshield washer fluid is finding the correct reservoir. And it differs in each make and model, but I'll go over some steps that will allow you to find it pretty easily. And I know there's a lot of different reservoirs in the engine bay, and there's a whole bunch of different caps, and they say different things. And I know it's a bit overwhelming trying to find the right one, but hopefully with these steps, you can find the right one pretty easily on your make and model. So if you look over here, this one is labeled pretty clearly, and this one is your radiator coolant, and you have your brake fluid back there. You have your power steering up front. And as you just walk around, just try to look for one that has the kind of the decal of washers on it. And in this model, and this is F-150, if you come over to this side, you will see this black cap, and in some vehicles it's blue, some vehicles it's yellow, and it has the yellow windshield wipers on it, and it says washer fluid only. And this is the place where you're going to put your windshield washer fluid. Now that we've located the washer fluid reservoir location on this vehicle, then you're just gonna fill it up. So open the cap. Now if you don't have a funnel, some of it might spill, but that's not a big deal. It's okay to have a little bit of spillage over the vehicle. I'm just gonna fill it up. If yours has a fill line, then just fill it up to the fill line. This one doesn't because it's kind of underneath a covering. So you're just gonna fill it up until you can see the fluid near the top. And that's it. And it's filled. Just go ahead and put the cap back on. And that's it. The fix is complete. And it's not even really a fix. It's just a super simple way of maintaining your vehicle. So if your windshield wiper fluid dispenser stopped working and you don't see anything coming out, there's a very high likelihood that your washer fluid has run out, and then all you'll do is just locate the correct reservoir and fill it up on your specific vehicle. Well guys, just want to take a second and thank you guys for watching the video today. I hope you found it very helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, please share the video. And until the next video, stay safe and keep on fixing.